This is the ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot from Strand. The Strand ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot is an integrated profile engine and manual zoom lens for precision key lighting and GOBO projection that adds a splash of color and a touch of drama to productions in small to medium-sized spaces. A successor to the iconic ACCLAIM, this LED Zoom Spot luminaire offers a built-in manual zoom and focus and a 4-blade manual shutter system in a single cost-effective fixture, perfect for schools, theaters, and houses of worship. It has a maximum output of 6,500 lumens in the beam and operates at 170 watts max power consumption, and it can run from 100 to 240 volts AC. The ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot utilizes a red, green, blue, and lime LED engine that can produce a wide range of colors with the simple and easy-to-use DMX map. Here's an example of the fixture at a cool white and a warm white. The ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot includes a 4-blade manual shutter system for superior control to shape the light. The flat, even beam can be adjusted via the integrated 25 to 50 degree manual zoom and focus, allowing for precision beam sizing and edge softness control for key lighting of your performers or highlighting parts of the set. The optional angle adjustable GOBO holder takes industry standard size B metal GOBOs with no additional blending filter required for GOBO projection. When your trim height is challenged, the integrated short yoke adjustment on the fixture allows the ACCLAIM Zoom Spot to be positioned close to its suspension point to give you more headroom. The ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot has a dynamic strobe control and a smooth, even field dimming. Here's an example of an 8-second fade out. And an 8-second fade back in. With its robust construction and superior optics, ultra-quiet fan controls, and superior LED technology, the Strand ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot is the perfect fixture for smaller theatrical spaces. That is a quick look at the ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot from Strand. If you have any questions, we invite you to visit the Strand website for more details and any downloads you might need for the ACCLAIM LED Zoom Spot.